Hello everyone. Welcome to the day 14 of Core Java. So today we are going to study the packages in Java. So what are packages? So a package in Java is the namespace that organizes a set of related classes and interfaces. So just consider an English meaning of package. So what is a package? A package is something that contains interrelated things or just things packed inside something that we call package. So like that only in Java also we organize the set of related classes and interfaces in something that we call package. So basically in Java, we have two types of packages. So first we have built-in packages. So what are built-in packages? Built-in means they are already provided by Java to us. So these are provided by the Java API. We just need to import them and use them in our codes. So next we have user-defined packages. So these are the packages that are created by the developers to organize their code. So if we want some classes to be there in something like a package, for that we can create packages, and then we can also create another package where we can contain a set of different related classes and interfaces, and then we can communicate with each other package to access certain classes and interfaces from each of the package. So how do we create and use package? So package keyword is used at the beginning of the Java file to create a package. So whenever we need to create a package, what do? We just write, as you can see in example, we just write the package keyword and then we mention our package name. And after that, we can access the package that we want to use. So here you can see that we have our package, which is com.mycode.utils. So what is this com.mycode.utils? So this is a convention of accessing the package and its related and the classes that are inside it. So here we can see that here like this, we have created a package. So how do we use a package? So now we have created a package here. The package name is this com.mycode.utils, and then we have defined a method here that is print, which is printing the hello world. Now we can see that I want to use that package. So from where I can use that package? So this is my package name and I want to use this class ABC. So how I'm going to import it? I'm going to just import com.mycode.utils.abc class. So what I'm going to do in my MNO, now I have successfully imported the package. So now I can create an object of my ABC class and then use it to call the function print from my ABC class. So this is how we use a user-defined package in our code. So now let's see a practical example of it. So here I have created a package. This is new package which I have created just for demo. Now we will move to its class. So it is a simple class where I have created a function print. And now I want to use this package in my this practice data class. So what I'm going to just do, I'm going to use import keyword. Then I'm going to use new package dot and which class I want to import from my package. I want to import new class. So this is how we import my package class. Now I want to call my print function present in new class. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create an object of my new class. Here I'm going to just create an object. So now I have successfully created an object. Now I'm just going to call my print function. Now let's just run it. So you can see here that we got the output as hello world. So this is how we create different packages. So this was our first package, that was this practice data, and this was my second package, that was new package. And what I just did, I accessed the function of one package into my another package. So now let's do one more thing. I am now creating a private method. Okay, so I am just creating a private method. Let's name it print2 as it will then now be giving the error. Now we will just print here print2. So this is my print2 class, print2 function. So what I'm going to do, now I will try to call my print2 function. So you can see here, we got an error. So why we got an error? As print2 is the private member of new class. We know that we cannot access private members in another class also. So if we would have created a different class in this package only, then also we couldn't access the private method in that class. So that is quite obvious that we cannot access the private method in our different package also. So we cannot access private method. So this is not done. So it gave me error. Let's write here, we cannot access private methods of different package. So this is one thing. So now let's change its access modifier. Now let's change it to protected. Now this is my protected method. So now let's try to call my protected method and dot print2. So what happened? We again got an error. So what is the error? Print2 has protected access in new class. So my print2 function is protected, so it cannot be accessed through different package. So this is a point to be noted, that we cannot access protected methods or fields in different package. So these are the 2 points to be noted. So private one was obvious, but one thing to consider is we cannot access protected methods in different package. So this was general about what our package is. So now let's move forward. Again, now let's move forward. Now our next topic is taking user input. So how do we take inputs from user in Java? So we basically use scanner class to take user input in Java. The scanner class is present in the util package of Java. So what is the util package? As we learned before, a util package is a built-in package in Java provided by Java API to us. As you can see in example, we first import our scanner class from util package. So this is the convention. From Java dot from util package, we are importing the scanner class. So now we are creating a class MNO, and in the main method, we are using this class to take user input. Here we have created an object S. So what is this? This is the convention of creating an object of scanner class, and here we have specified system.in. It specifies that we are indicating scanner to take input from user. And what is this next int? These are some methods provided by scanner class. So next int allows us to take an integer input from user. So the input will be stored in an A variable, and we can just print that variable here. So now let's see how do we do it. So I'm just going to first create an object of my practice data class. So here I'm going to create an object of my practice data class. So I'm getting an error because of this. So now what I'm going to do, I first have to, let's just remove it as we are not using it. So first what we are going to do, we are going to import our package java.util dot our scanner class. So we have successfully imported scanner class. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just create an object of my scanner class, as that is required to take input from user. Here I'm indicating user to provide us input. That's why I use system.in. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just first try to take input as user. So here you can see we get different options. So here you can see we have next byte, next int, next short, next. So these are different methods for different things. So next byte is for byte, next short is for short, next is for string, and Then we have nextInt for integer, nextFloat for float. So these are the different methods provided by Java to take different types of input. So I'm going to just take an integer input and then I'm going to just print the value of it. Now let's just run it. It is working something somewhat slow today. Let's just run it, try to run it again, as it is just giving us error here. Now let's run it again. So it is taking somewhat time to print it, but you will see that when we will be printing it, we will be getting the value. uh, It will be first accepting the value from the user and then it will be printing it. So here I provided the input as 2 and then we can see the output as 2. So this is how our scanner class works. So these are the common scanner methods. Next line. This reads a line of text that is our string. Next we have nextInt. It reads an integer. Next double reads a double number. Next boolean reads a boolean value. So this is how our scanner class works and helps us to take input from user. Thank you everyone for watching.